Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, I am so excited to be going through my May Boxycharm choices. So if you want to see what I am getting in my May Boxycharm box, then just keep on watching. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't mean to stay subscribed to this, but we're here. It happened. I didn't pay attention to any of the spoilers and the month flew by, and I guess that's what ipsy wants. That being said, I'm not very happy with this month's box. You can't have a good every month, you know? My power picks this month are the Murad Renewing Cleansing Cream, which I like Murad, so I'm not mad about this one. And I feel like a cleanser is easy to go through. And then we have the Ciate London I Am Woman 24 Shade Eyeshadow Palette version 2. And I mean, this is very pretty, and I'm not mad, I just don't love Ciate as a brand. So why am I going to use this? I'm going to use it for the video because I feel like if another person has this palette and they get it in their box, they want to make looks with this, they spent their money on this, and that's what's going to happen, right? Let me know in the comments. What should I do? I'm stuck. But let's move on into my choice products. So the first choice product I have is the Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Body Cream. And then I have the TYS Lip Butter in Honey. And then we have the LYS Beauty Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer. The Huda Beauty Hashtag Bomb Brows Full and Fluffy Fiber Gel in Black. The Pixi Beauty Rose Oil Blend, and the Wander Beauty Upgraded Lashes Thickening Mascara. What is with these choices? The LYS concealer would have been my choice, but I already have this concealer, and I do love this concealer, and I'm going to bust this concealer out because I forget I own it, but it is a freaking good concealer. And then I was just like, okay, can't get the concealer. I don't want the body cream, I don't want the lip butter, and I don't want the oil because those are all products that I just don't gravitate towards. So I was just immediately canceling them out as one does. That leaves me with the Huda Beauty Brow Gel, which I don't really want a brow gel, but out of all of the products seemed like the better option to try, which is what my goal is, to try new things. Because I make videos, so but then I was Wander Beauty makes really good mascaras. I'm trying to use lash serum more, and I feel like I'm trying to go through more mascara phases, even though I'm wearing lashes today. I'm not abiding by that right now. I chose the Wander Beauty Upgraded Lashes Thickening Mascara because I thought that it would be fun to try it out because I never wear just mascara. Every once in a while is a good thing to just wear mascara. You don't have to wear lashes all the time, and I try to tell myself this, but inwardly I'm your lashes are not good enough. Sometimes it just makes the look better. I can't describe it. I'm hoping it's a good formula like Wander Beauty's other formulas. I have not tried this one, and I have not used a Wander Beauty mascara in years, so I'm excited. I love Wander Beauty, if you can't tell. I know it's known as the subscription brand, but I don't care. They make good stuff and I like it. The second choice product category, I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour and Highlight Stick in Fawn, the MIA by Maisel Eye Brush Trio, the Love Script Sugar Plum Body Polish, the Shina B Miami Flamingo Liquid Highlighter, and the Aceology Berry Glaze Overnight Lip Mask, and the Kate Somerville Eradicate Acne Treatment. There's a few things that caught my eye. There's a few things that I didn't want. I don't want another lip mask because I have a ton and I need to cycle through. I didn't want a body polish because I have a few that I'm trying to just use up, and I have very sensitive skin, so I don't really want to just throw something on. I don't need brushes, and I don't want another liquid highlighter that I'm just gonna throw in a drawer and not use. So I canceled those out, and that leaves the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Stick and the Kate Somerville Eradicate Acne Treatment. And I've been really wanting to try this Kate Somerville Eradicate Acne Treatment, so that's what I chose. I've been waiting for the time, and it came to me. You guys, I knew it would come. I was I'm gonna get this again, and it happened. So that's what I did. I chose that because because every now and then I do get that monstrous pimple that's just stubborn. It does not want to go away, and you have to give it a name because you're gonna live with it for the next 2 weeks. That's where my thought process was. That was my choice, and I'm excited. You know, remember when Kylie made the Mario Badescu thing super popular? I think it's basically that, right? They're basically the same thing. The third choice product category, we have the Chica Beauty double-ended complexion brush, the 8 Saint Skincare Soulmate Brightening Treatment, the Lovecraft Beauty Liquid Cosmic Blush in Mercury Moves, the Defiance Beauty Infinity Liquid Liner in Enigma, which I believe I've seen in my choices before, the Beauty For Real Lip Revival Essential Hydration Serum Lipstick, and the Half-Caked The Script Primer plus Lip Liner in Half Line. A lot of clean beauty items in this category, but I don't need a brush, so I was like, oh, I don't need the brush. And I don't know what the brightening treatment is. I have so much skincare and I'm finally like cycling through some of it, so I'm trying to not get skincare that I don't choose, you know? Then the Lovecraft Beauty, I have so much blush. And I probably have this color somewhere, but I was literally about to choose it. I'm not gonna lie. And then I could have sworn I've seen this eyeliner before. And then I was against these 2 lip products, but out of the 2, I feel like the lip liner looked, at least from this mini swatch that I get, it looked like a better option. And I didn't Google it or anything because I was at work, so I was like trying not to get caught choosing my products. I'm hoping it's nice. We'll see together, I guess. I'm not gonna look it up or anything now. We'll see together. That was my choice. The Half-Caked The Script Primer plus Lip Liner. Has a lip primer to smooth out your lips like a balm, I assume. And then a lip limer. And can't English.
It's 11:07. Good night, pal.
He's clocked out. I'm not though. So I chose the Half-Caked The Script Primer plus Lip Liner in Half Line. Hopefully you guys see this tomorrow. So those were my choices. I'm quite excited for what I chose. I'm not too excited for the palette or the cleanser because I just bought a new cleanser. So why does it always have to be that? I never buy cleansers, but I was just like, let me bite the bullet and buy a new cleanser. And then Ipsy was just like, you need a new cleanser, right? Whatever. It is what it is. We'll try it together, I guess. My box is worth $188, which is so fun. I guess it's a nice value. And you know, it could be worse. The products could be worse. I guess we'll try it together. We're gonna try it all together. And if it's flaming garbage, then we have a video, right? I also did purchase an add-on, which was the Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss in Violet Bloom, can't English, in Violet Bloom Soft Orchid. And I'm hoping the color is just as beautiful as it looks in this swatch. I'm looking to spice it up. Today I did spice it up. I threw on this lip stain from ColourPop. That's usually not my color that I go for. Sing Along. It's from the ColourPop. It's a Small World collection. Really nice. I did use the Same Old Flora lip gloss and the Same Old Cappuccino lip liner, but you guys know it just is that. It is that for me. So I'm hoping that this will be the new, because it's trending and I got it on sale. It was $12. But this purple color does kind of scare me too, I'm not gonna lie. We'll see. We'll have to test it all out together, so stay tuned for my try on video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Hello, welcome. Hey, welcome back. Today's video, I'm so excited because I am going to be going through my May Boxycharm choices for, what is wrong with me? Welcome back. Hello, welcome back. Oh, the Huda Beauty Brom and the Kate Summer, holy shit. Losing the words, they're not coming.